Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are cooking simple and easy aloo ki sabzi with just a few ingredients. This sabzi tastes really delicious and loved by kids the most. This sabzi can be served as a side dish with roti, paratha, puri, rice, tandoori roti or naan. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Now let's check the ingredients to make simple aloo ki sabzi. For making aloo ki sabzi, we have taken 6 medium-sized bowl potatoes. Now we have to chop them in our desired size. Now take 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Now add a pinch of asafoetida, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, keep the flame on low. So once mustard seeds flutter, add the chopped green chili as per your taste. Stir them well. Keep the flame on medium low. Add the chopped curry leaves. So now curry leaves and green chilies are roasted. So now we can add the chopped potatoes. Add the salt as per your taste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Stir it well and mix all the spices properly with the potatoes. So now we have mixed all the spices with potatoes. So now we have to cook it for 5 to 7 minutes on a medium-low flame. So you can give a stir in between every 3 minutes. So cover it with a lid and cook it on a medium-low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. So now our potatoes are cooking for around 7 minutes on a low flame. Now garnish with some coriander leaves or cilantro on top. Mix it well. So now we can turn off the flame and serve the aloo ki sabzi. So now we have served the aloo ki sabzi and it really tastes very delicious. Enjoy it with roti, paratha, naan or rice with your friends and family. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more recipes. And don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.